I guess this could work. Oh, hello. Hello internet friends, today we're going to do an empties video because I was going to put this all in a project pan and then I realized that I have way too much. So you may notice a little bit of black on my face and that's because, I don't know, hashtag let's be real. This is what happens when I try to have perfect mascara. Now, some people get it underneath, some people get it on top. I don't want to talk about it. It just happens. So let's get into the products. So I was going to include this all in my rolling project pan just because I'm trying to tally everything up that I use throughout the year. That way I can kind of get an idea of how much I'm actually using versus how much I'm spending. Let's be honest, I'm better at the spending part than I am at the using part, but that's why this year we're focusing on the using part. To get into the products that we've used up that aren't part of our project pan, the first one are these Ole Henriksen Clean Truth Cleansing Cloths. I actually like these, and it might just be like that citrusy kind of scent that comes with them, but I like them, so I would probably repurchase these. Do they work? They take off your makeup, and that's all I can really say. They do what they say they're gonna do. They're nothing special. They smell really citrusy. They're nice. Give them a shot. Next, we have the Adidas Women's Pour Women, only for women. So if you're a man, you apparently can't use this, even though I don't understand why. This is the Pure Powder Absorbent Deo, absorbs wetness. I don't know, this is generic. Next is a product called Low Key by IGK. This is a sea salt scrub for your scalp. It's supposed to kind of help invigorate, kind of help stimulate your scalp, help stimulate hair growth, and quite honestly for my hair, I find it a generic product. And now this is gonna sound really weird, but just listen to me really quickly. This product actually helps reduce the bumps on my arms. Now maybe it's the salt in the product, I have no idea whatsoever. I've just been using it on my arms as a scrub because it does have those like chunky granule salt grains in there, and it's actually been helping. So yeah, I've been continuing to do it. So would I repurchase it? Probably not, but in the meantime I'm using this on my upper arms, on my KP, instead of on my scalp. So there's an idea for you. What do we have next? The charcoal body polish, cleansing body polish, sorry, by First Aid Beauty. This was supposed to be a charcoal scrub. I read the reviews online, I guess, and it said it was good for KP. Quite honestly, I saw no difference in this. My boyfriend saw no difference in this. Doesn't mean it's not good, just not for us. So on to the next product is the Cleansing Milk by Juice Beauty. Honestly, I have no idea. I don't remember this product whatsoever. I do know that I put the Ole Henriksen Nurture Me Cleansing Milk in this when that was still a thing, and unfortunately it went bad before I got to actually use it up. So that was 100% my bad. Lesson learned. I need to use my products before buying new products. We all say that, but really, does it happen? But yeah, I can't really speak to any of those products because it didn't happen. Next is the Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Cream. This has been reformulated, thank freaking God. This has such a strong fragrance to it. I did not want to use this. I used it on my arms because I could not just put it, I couldn't stand it on my face. It was so gross. But on my arms, it actually wasn't that bad. Would I repurchase it? Like, if it was this specific product, probably not. But it is reformulated. I have smelt it. It is fragrance free. So will I retry it? Probably. And I will let you know what I think of the reformulated product, because this specifically. Next is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. This is what I said was like a dulled down kind of dupe for the Water Burst Cleanser by Glam Glow, and I still stick by that. It's still that hydrating, all about the hyaluronic acid, all about putting that burst of hydration into your skin. No frills, no fancy smells, nothing, just simple, plain, the $12 that you really pay for it. Is it worth it? Maybe if you have, I would say, normal to combo skin, it's probably worth it. If you have the dry skin, I really don't feel like this is enough. Next is the Tarte Clean Queen deodorant. This was nice. Would I say it's anything special? Unfortunately, no. Next I have the Silco Cream by Sativa Care. I'll leave a link for these guys down below. What's really nice is if you're someone from Edmonton, this is a local company. They use hemp seed oil in pretty much all their products. I say pretty much, but they use hemp seed oil in all their products. And what's nice about hemp seed oil is that it has those omega-3s, omega-6s, omega-9s in a kind of a ratio that your skin can absorb a little bit easier than, let's say, putting coconut oil on your skin or putting extra virgin olive oil on your skin. These do a little bit better. I say a little bit better. These do a lot better. So check these people out, because honestly, hemp seed oil is a lot better for your skin than coconut oil. And next I have a mega mushroom. This was like one of those rescue me masks, supposed to help soothe, supposed to help get rid of redness. It was nice. Unfortunately, it wasn't my favorite. I always tell people when I'm at work, you gotta figure out, is it the mushrooms? Is it the chamomile? Is it the aloe? What is it that helps soothe your skin? Certain products are better for certain people, and that's sadly like the real truth. It's really about trial and error, figuring out what ingredient works for you. Unfortunately for me, mushrooms, they're kind of generic. They just cleanse my skin, they burn my skin like regular, but they don't do anything special. So this mask was a pass, but who knows, maybe mushrooms work good for your skin, so don't write it off until you actually try it. So if you're somebody who's stressing with eczema skin, who has psoriasis, who has rosacea like myself, give this a shot, because the worst that it can do is nothing, but the best that it can do is help get rid of redness. And I promise you that is an actual thing, because it's happened to myself. Just unfortunately not with that product. Next I have two brushes. One is by Pure Cosmetics, and one I'm pretty sure it was just a paintbrush that I actually used for like lip products. So these started shedding, these started leaving hairs on my actual mouth, on my eyelids when I used them. So thank you for your time. It's been great, but unfortunately it's time to move on to bigger, better things. So thank you, Pure. Thank you. Probably what is a Michael's paintbrush that I've been using for lip products. So time to move on. Next product I have is Garnier Nutrice. This is the Rich Nourishing Conditioning Cream. This is nice. I have all natural hair right now. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. Yes, I know, beautiful blonde wig, beautiful, what did you call them, Charisse? Plaits? Or the rest of us know it as braids. They're cute, yes, but it's not my real hair, unfortunately. I'm trying to get it back to this, which is what it was before I chopped it all off, but this feels great on natural hair. Can I speak to color treated or chemically treated? Unfortunately, no, but on on regular untouched hair, this actually feels really great. This is really nourishing, this is really creamy. It just gives you that extra soft, kind of summery, fluffy hair. But unfortunately, I can't speak to the rest of you. I'm very sorry about that. And last product, yes, okay, last product on our rapid fire thing, which is now at 10 minutes anyways. This is the Comforter Shower Cream. It's a cuddle in a bottle with a cassis, absolute, and bergamot oil, creating a reassuring fragrance. So this is called the Comforter. This kind of smells like blackberries. No, this smells like bubblegum meets candy with a slight floral scent to it. Oh my god, if you haven't smelt this, this is absolutely to die for. So thank you guys for checking in with me on this video, and if you ever get a chance to smell this product, definitely smell it. Let me know what you think, because you know, to each their own. Fragrance is definitely a personal thing, but I freaking love this. I could put this in a room spray, I could put this as a car freshener. I could literally be surrounded by this scent every day of my life and be absolutely happy. So let me know what you think of this. Thank you for checking in, and I will see you guys in the next one, and see you later.